babies. This is my very first ever YouTube video for my paint. This is a commission piece. If you guys want to see how I got this, please stay tuned. But first, let's enjoy my intro. So we're starting off with two canvases. I am doing 15 by 30s for a client. We are doing what is called a diptych. I think it is diptych. I don't know. It's double canvases, and I'm doing a double. I'm splitting it. I'm doing a split canvas, half black, half white. So I'm putting down my base of black first, and then I'm going to go in with my base of white after. So what you see me doing right now is I am just going over any little imperfections, and I'm going to make sure I get the edges by running my hand along the edges to make sure that it's perfect. You know how it goes. You want to make sure that it looks good when you hang it up on the wall. So I'm just making sure that the black is completely covered on the sides, if that makes sense. You guys forgive me. This is my first paint video. I don't know how to talk about this. I'm used to doing makeup. And now I'm just going in with the white base. This is titanium white by Artists Loft, mixed with a little bit of Floetrol in water. On the little areas where the paint didn't blow, I didn't want to keep adding paint because I didn't want it to be too much paint on the canvas. So I just went in with a little itty bitty spoon and filled those in and blew it out just a little bit. So we are going in with our colors now. This is the fun part. I'm using magenta from Liquitex. As you see, I have like a little bit of space in between the white and the black that there isn't any paint on, because I really want these colors underneath. I don't need to make mistakes, I'm sorry. But I want these colors underneath to really pop out and come through. Now I'm going in with Prism Violet. This is also from Liquitex. And then I'm going to go in with a deep aqua, I'm sorry, not deep aqua, light aqua green or light aqua blue. It's so pretty. I love this color. And then I'm going to go in with the ultramarine blue. Now all of these colors come from Liquitex. All of these paints are from Liquitex. I'm so excited. And lastly, I want a metallic, and I went in with gold. Now this gold is from Arteza. This one is Arteza paints. It's so pretty. It's so vibrant. It dries beautifully. And I'm going to add just a little bit more white on each end of the white. I don't want too much black, so I'm not going to add any more black. Now it's time for the fun part. It's time to blow it out. I be so scared, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, I'm scary. Here we go. We're going to blow the white over. And then we're going to blow the black out through the white. Let's see what it turns into. Y'all excited too? Oh, I'm excited. I'm scared too. I'm excited. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. These colors, this color combo is beautiful. This is what it looks like dried. I love it. It's so beautiful. I love this part. I mean, I love all of this. I like how the black and the gold mixed up there. I love this. So I'm going to varnish this, and she wants some line work put in it. So I'm going to varnish it and put line work, and I will show you guys what that looks like in the next video. But this is the final dried result, and I absolutely love this. It's so pretty. So much, you guys, for joining, and I will see you next time. Mwah.